This is a review of the battery corrosion kit that I recently picked up, and I do want to say that this is something that's very important to have for your car because of the fact that a battery corrosion kit is something that's very important to have since it protects your car battery from getting corrosion in the long run, which could then cause cranking and starting issues to your car, and then also decrease the lifespan of your battery, which you do not want that to happen, especially if, for your brand new battery, you do not want that to happen. And so far, to install this was very easy and simple. You pretty much have to use put the green on the negative, the red on the positive, and from there, that's pretty much it for it. And then from there, that's, you could prevent corrosion from happening to your, as your terminals, they get corrosion over time as years go, and then that could cause issues and trouble in the long run to your battery. So I would definitely recommend this. This is the one step that a lot of people tend to forget, and it is a important step because it does benefit in the long run and prevents the corrosion from happening in the first place. And overall, it really was easy to install and really was simple. And best of all is that this is very something that's very important to have, especially if you get a new battery and you do not want corrosion to happen to your terminal. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. If you're looking for a battery corrosion kit for your car battery, then this is probably one of the best kits that you could get.